Python but hate bugs, stick around. Today we're tackling a common dictionary blunder. Picture this. You're working on a shiny new project. You've got your dictionary set up with all these awesome key value pairs. But then, bam! You hit a key error. Sound familiar? Here's the deal. Many beginners forget to check if a key exists before trying to access it. Let's say you have a dictionary called. If you try, you'll get a nasty key error. Not cool, right? So, what's the fix? Use the method. It's simple and elegant. Instead of, you do. No key error, just smooth sailing. You can provide a default value that gets returned if the key isn't found. Lifesaver. Here's a quick example. Imagine you're storing user data. You have a dictionary with user information like this. User_data=, name, Alice, age, 30. Now if you need to get the user's email but it's not there, use user data get email, email not provided. Instead of crashing, your code keeps running smoothly. Remember, coding is like cooking. A small tweak can make a huge difference. So go on and sprinkle some get magic in your Python recipes. Happy coding! And hey, if you found this tip helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more Python goodies. Catch you in the next one.